Welcome students. Today in this session we are going to learn lesson national income, and in this lesson the name of the subtopic is circular flow of national income. What is circular flow of national income? There are the various sectors activate in an economy. Two sectors economy. In this two sector economy, household and business firm both are included, means C plus I. C means consumption, I means investment by business firm, and consumption by household. Then three sector economy, households, business firm, and government sector. So consumption, investment, and government expenditure or a government sector. Then fourth sector economy, households, business firm, government, and foreign sector means net income from abroad. So two sector model of circular flow of national income explain this flow of income and expenditure in a two sector model. The circular flow of national income and expenditure refers to the process whereby national income and expenditure of an economy flow in a circular manner continuously through time. We begin with the simple hypothetical economy where there are only two sectors of household and business firm. Households are the owner of the factor, and production and consumer owner of the factors of production and consumer of goods and services. So business sector produce goods and services and sell them the household sector. Then the household sector received income from firm, and then the business sector consists of producer who produce goods and services and sell them to the household sector of consumers. Thus the household sector buys the goods and services from the firm, and uh, goods and services from the firm. So one man's income is the another man's expenditure. The circular flow can be understood with the help of this diagram. The outer circle of the circular flow is real flow. Flow of factor services from household to business sector, and corresponding flow of goods and services from firms to household. Then from business sector to household sector. Then inner circle shows the money flow, that the flow of factor payment from business sector to household sector, and consumption expenditure from household to firms. It must be noted the entire amount of money which is paid by business sector as a factor payment is paid back the factor owner in the business sector. So here is circular and continuous flow of money income. In the circular flow of income, production generate factor income. Continuous, as production is a continuous activity due to never ending human wants, it makes flow of circular income, which is called circular flow of national income.